All vacations must come to an end. This may be true to my family, but I'm still on vacation. You know what I mean. On our way to Orange Beach, I experienced an issue with my G5 units.
We seem to have some issue with my heading 6 Romeo.
Okay, do you need any assistance?
So on the ground at Orange Beach, I verified that my G5 units are working properly.
6 Romeo Delta departing runway 9 Jack Airport.
It's a beautiful VFR day, but I filed an IFR flight plan to PDK, which makes it easy to navigate around the military airspaces in this area.
Airspeed alive. 60 knots.
Well, there it is again. My G5 units are acting up. Since I have multiple backups and VFR day, I continued on.
Runway 09, runway heading clubhouse, northwest departure.
Pensacola approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, you in the air on the ground.
66 Romeo Delta, we're in the air.
Number 6 Romeo Delta Squawk 7363, maintain VFR.
7363, maintain VFR 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, radar contact 3 miles northeast of Jack Airwood, leaving 1900, you're cleared to Papa Delta Kilo via Charlie Sierra Golf as filed. I'm going to maintain 7000.
Cleared to Papa Delta Kilo via Charlie Sierra Golf, climb maintain 7006 Romeo Delta.
November 72 Charlie, radar contact 2 miles north of Jack Airwood, that's you 2800. Now just maintain your VFR climb. I'll have your full clearance for you once you clear some traffic. Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic is 9 to 10 o'clock and 5 miles maneuvering southbound 1300 and Mr. Cessna 182.
Looking for the traffic, 6 Romeo Delta.
Golf 1 additional traffic is about 2 miles northeast of position southwest on 3100. I believe that was a Cessna. Not talking to them.
If you have been recording your flights, you know this is the most frustrating part, losing your audio. I will be exploring other audio recording options and I plan on sharing that information with you, so stay tuned for that. As I passed Columbus airspace, as expected, Atlanta gives me a reroute and an arrival procedure. As I descend into the Atlanta area, it starts to become a bit bumpy, which made kids a bit uncomfortable. Atlanta approach takes me over PDK at 4,000 feet to the east and puts me in the sequence, which made me descend at a higher descent rate. Miraculously, the G5 units appear to function normally again. I will share with you in the future videos on the status of the G5s. Thanks for watching.